Lane departure warning. LDW system provides visual, audio and haptic alerts to the driver once the system detects that the vehicle is crossing the lane boundary unintentionally, which is determined based on whether the turn signal towards the direction of departure is turned on or not. When lanes are not detected, LDW will be in standby mode, no lanes are displayed, and telltale illuminates in white color. When lanes are detected, the lane marking in instrument cluster will turn to green color and LDW telltale is displayed in green color. When the vehicle gets closer to either the left or the right lane boundary, the LDW telltale will blink and the lane marking color of respective side will change to yellow color. Also, haptic and audio alert will be provided to warn the driver about lane departure. The warning will be stopped either when vehicle changes the lane completely or if the vehicle returns back to original lane. Notice: